April 13th, 1970. 200,000 miles from Earth, a single spark is about to turn NASA's greatest triumph into its deadliest nightmare. 3 astronauts hurtle through space in a crippled spacecraft, slowly suffocating on their own breath. The world watches helplessly as oxygen bleeds into the void. But what saved them wasn't courage or luck. It was forgotten technology so simple, it would make a modern engineer laugh. This is the untold story of how slide rules, duct tape, and basic math pulled off the greatest rescue in human history. The explosion wasn't random. It started with a simple engineering oversight that would haunt NASA for decades. The oxygen tank's heater system was designed for 28 volts, but ground crew had mistakenly used 65 volts during testing. The switches welded shut, temperatures soared beyond design limits, and the tank became a bomb waiting to explode. But here's what the movies never told you. Losing that tank didn't just mean less oxygen, it meant losing everything. Modern NASA relies on supercomputers that can simulate entire missions in seconds. But in 1970, the most advanced computer at Mission Control had less processing power than a digital watch. When the main computers failed, engineers fell back on technology that hadn't changed since World War II. Slide rules, paper charts, and human calculation. What happened next was the greatest feat of analog problem-solving in history, but navigation was just the beginning. The astronauts were slowly poisoning themselves with every breath. Carbon dioxide levels were rising, and they had maybe hours before unconsciousness. The lunar module's CO2 scrubbers were cylindrical, but they desperately needed to use the command module's square filters. NASA's engineers faced an impossible puzzle. How do you fit a square peg in a round hole when failure means death? April 17th, 1970. After 4 days of impossible engineering, Apollo 13 splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean. The technology that saved them? Not rockets, not computers, not cutting-edge innovation. It was human ingenuity, basic mathematics, and the kind of low-tech creativity that turns ordinary people into heroes. The next time someone tells you we need the latest gadgets to solve our problems, remember Apollo 13. Sometimes the most powerful technology is the one that works when everything else fails. What other forgotten technologies are hiding in plain sight? What simple solutions could change everything? Hit that like button if this story amazed you. Subscribe for more hidden tech mysteries, and follow NeuroLeak for the secrets that shaped our world. Because sometimes the most incredible innovations are the ones we've forgotten how to see.